When an LG G2 exhibits faulty white symptoms, it generally refers to issues with the display showing a solid white screen, white lines, or white noise/flickering. Given the age of the LG G2, many of these problems are likely hardware related, especially if the phone has been dropped or had repairs. Here's a breakdown of common faulty white issues and potential solutions. 1. Solid white screen/white screen of death, WSOD. Loose or damaged flex cable. This is a very common cause, especially after a screen replacement. The internal ribbon cables connecting the display to the motherboard can become loose or damaged. Solution: reopen the device and ensure all display-related flex cables are properly seated and undamaged. If damaged, the flex cable will need to be replaced. Software glitch/temporary data issue. Sometimes a blank or white screen can be a temporary software hangup. Solution: perform a soft reset by holding down the power button for at least 10 seconds to force a restart. You can also try a factory reset if you can access recovery mode, though this will erase your data. Faulty display assembly. The display itself might be damaged. Solution: if other troubleshooting fails, replacing the entire screen assembly might be necessary. Water damage. If the phone was exposed to water, internal components can be corroded, leading to display issues. Solution: if recently exposed to water, power off immediately and try drying it thoroughly, e.g. in rice for several days. However, long-term damage may require professional repair or component replacement. 2. White lines, vertical white lines. Loose or misaligned flex cable. Similar to a solid white screen, vertical lines often indicate a problem with the display's flex cable connection. This can happen after a screen replacement if the plug is off-center. Solution: reopen the device and carefully inspect and reseat the display flex cable. Damaged display panel. The actual display panel might have been damaged due to pressure or impact, causing certain pixels or lines to malfunction. Solution: this typically requires replacing the entire screen assembly. EMI filter failure. Flickering noise. While more commonly associated with flickering, a failing EMI, electromagnetic interference filter, can sometimes contribute to display anomalies, including white lines or noise. This is a known common issue with the LG G2. Solution: this is a hardware repair that involves soldering a new EMI filter and is best left to experienced technicians. 3. White flickering/white noise screen. EMI filter failure. This is a very common cause of flickering on the LG G2. The EMI filter, located near the micro USB port, can fail. Solution: this is a hardware fix requiring soldering and expertise. LG service centers are generally aware of this issue. Loose or damaged flex cable. As with other display issues, a loose or damaged display flex cable can cause flickering. Solution: check and reseat or replace the flex cable. Software/driver issues. Less common for flickering, but outdated or corrupted display drivers after an update or crash